Hey everyone, welcome back to Kimi's English Podcast, the place where we help you boost your English communication skills, especially for exams like the IELTS. I'm Ronnie, and today we've got something really special for those preparing for the IELTS speaking test.
Hi there, I'm Kimi, and I'm super excited because today's topic is so relatable and practical. We'll be talking about how to describe your favorite place in your home, a question that often comes up in the IELTS Speaking Part 2.
Exactly, Kimi. This topic helps test your fluency, descriptive vocabulary, and ability to structure your response. And the good news is, everyone has a favorite corner or room in their house, so it's not a difficult topic if you know how to talk about it effectively.
Okay, Rony, can you tell our listeners what the question usually looks like?
Sure. A common IELTS Speaking Part 2 task card might say, describe your favorite place in your home. You should say what it is, where it is in your home, what it looks like, and explain why it is your favorite place.
Got it. So we need to give details, not just short answers.
Exactly. The goal is to speak for about 1 to 2 minutes in a natural and organized way.
Could you give an example, Rony? Let's say your favorite place is your balcony. How would you describe it?
Sure. Here's a model response. One of my absolute favorite places in my home is our small, cozy balcony on the 3rd floor. It's attached to my bedroom and faces the east, so every morning I wake up to the most beautiful view of the sunrise. The balcony isn't very big, but it's just the right size for a small table and 2 chairs. I've decorated it with potted plants, hanging lights, and a little wind chime that makes a soft sound when the breeze blows. I love spending time there in the early mornings or late evenings, just sipping tea, reading a book, or sometimes just enjoying the fresh air. It's peaceful, private, and feels like my personal escape from the noisy world. What makes it even special is that I can watch birds flying by, or just sit and think. It's the one place where I feel completely relaxed, and that's why it's my favorite spot in the entire house.
That was amazing. I could picture everything so clearly. It wasn't too complex, but the details made it beautiful.
Let's break down some useful vocabulary from that response that you can use in your own speaking. Cozy, comfortable and warm. Attached to, connected or part of something. Potted plants, plants in containers. Wind chime, decorative object that makes a sound in the wind. Sip tea. Drink tea slowly and calmly. Fresh air, clean, outdoor air. Personal escape, a private place to relax. Peaceful, private, relaxed, excellent adjectives to describe mood.
I love the phrase personal escape. That sounds perfect for describing your safe space.
Now it's your turn. Try to speak for 1 minute about your favorite place in your home. Think about these questions. What is the place? Where is it located? What does it look like? What do you usually do there? Why do you like it?
You don't need to memorize anything. Just speak naturally. If you like, pause this episode and give it a try now.
Here are 3 quick tips to do well in IELTS Speaking Part 2. Start with a short intro. Example, there are many places I like in my home, but one that I really love is... Use linking words like first of all, also, in addition, that's why. And use descriptive language. Colors, sounds, feelings, and small details. Make your answer vivid and personal.
And don't worry about using perfect grammar. The goal is to communicate clearly and confidently.
That's all for today's episode of Kimi's English Podcast. I hope this helped you feel more confident about describing your favorite place at home in English, whether it's for IELTS or just daily speaking practice.
And remember, you can replay this episode anytime to practice shadowing, build vocabulary, and improve your fluency. Don't forget to write down your favorite place and try describing it out loud.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe for more episodes every week.
Bye for now, and keep speaking English every day.